Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So I haven't been posting a lot, mostly because I've been doing a bunch of stuff. But today here, I'm going to be opening the Glow Recipe Fruit Babies kit. So yeah, it's 6 piece, and look how cute it is. Oh, that fell out. So first, we have the Strawberry Smooth Serum, obviously, Glow Recipe. Then we have the Bright Eye Cream Gel Cream from Glow Recipe, obviously. Then we have some Glow Recipe Watermelon Pore Tight Toner. And I have some of this, but it's another mini one, but it's bigger and it's in a little glass jar. Then we have Watermelon Glow Dewdrops, and they're mini, but they're so cute. Then we have the Glow Recipe plum pumped hyaluronic cream for your face. I have no idea how to say that word, but yeah. And then lastly, we have the avocado moisturizer barrier, which removes makeup and it nourishes your skin, and it helps with redness like I have right here. Yeah, don't mind my chalkboard in the back. I tried to draw Stitch. But yeah, guys, thanks for watching. Like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys later. Bye-bye.